So this is first class dining, and this used to determine, well, tell the first class passengers where they were en route in the Atlantic Ocean between New York and London.
The little line show.
I don't know. Oh, I can't zoom in on this. And then here's one of the buffets. Several areas.
We're the last to leave, of course.
Because we were the last to arrive. It goes on. There's the original painting that you could see inside. These are all etched glass with mermaids.
Oh yeah, I do.
It's all mythology, mythological. And then these are teak. These are all originals. These are carved teak. Portholes.
The porthole.
Mom pointing. All throughout. And they have Christmas. And beautiful music. Oh, and these are the brass doors. Let me take you over there. This is the original brass doors. Wave! Bye! Oh, take me. So you see me?
I'm having just a taste. That was a full thing of champagne, and I had just a tad bit.
Just a tiny bit. Okay.
And no head. Bye.
Bye.